Living in Louisiana, we're all able to enjoy the beautiful Spanish moss that hangs from live oak trees. But in recent years, you may have noticed a different type of moss clinging to trees, and that's probably ball moss. So instead of actually hanging and draping, this actually stays in a tight, compact sphere attached to the bark of the tree. Now, just like Spanish moss, it is related to bromeliads because these are air plants. They're epiphytes, which means that they're not actually absorbing any nutrients or water from the plant or the tree. They're just using it as an attachment point to grow. Air plants like moss derive all of their nutrients and water simply from the air. So just attaching itself to the tree isn't the problem. Where the issue comes is when there's so many of these attached to the tree branches that it becomes an infestation. It starts covering the branches, just as you can see behind me, even weighing the branches down. And what that can do is actually start to constrict the growth of those branches and tree trunks, or causing them to even break. That can be a problem. Now, controlling this is only necessary when you do get a heavy case like the crepe myrtles behind me. What you'll have to do is actually physically remove it by hand. That's probably the easiest way. But if the tree is too large, there are a few chemical solutions. One of those is baking soda solution, and you can find more about that on our website. The other would be a copper fungicide. Just remember that these are best done when the trees are dormant so that you're not causing any damage to the leaves themselves. Any sort of treatment or removal is best done in the winter before these plants go to flower, like this old plant I'm holding here. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.